Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on our process of selling this all-in-one $25 digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright, so as you know already, I've gotten 2 sales. So this is working. So we're going to continue on what we're doing here. Now, if you don't know about the all-in-one $25 digital business, you can make it's the best affiliate system I ever found, period, in my life. Alright, I'm not even joking. 80%. Not only now you can find some affiliate systems that 80%, but not only is it 80%, it's 80% recurring commissions every month, guys. Every month you get 80% commissions. Think about that. You could build your income so quick with that. So anyway, and the recurring commissions is one is 20 and one is $100. Add that together, you get $120 per person, as long as they stay in both, and it's in their best interest to be in both. So more than likely everybody that sign in is gonna get both. It's amazing. Okay, this is the easiest way I've found to make money online, guys. So anyway, the best system. But anyway, let's get to it here. All right, we'll go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. All right, we logged in. Okay, already logged in. All right, so we're gonna find an email to use here. Let's look at my list here, see what we got going on. These are the emails I wrote. When you see the check mark, those are the emails I wrote myself. So I'm gonna use one of them, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna just use one of my emails I wrote a while ago. Now these products, these emails I wrote a while ago, they got a whole lot of they already written. They got picture, they got my picture, got my signature and all that all put together and everything. These are for any these emails I wrote, they could be for any product about making money online. So all you gotta do, I wrote them very generically so they could be for anything, but it sounds exciting. Let me read it to you guys real quick, see if we think. Hey, this system keeps on trucking. It's the end of my first week officially, and the best believe I made money. After a full week, I can add $10 to the bag of money I'll make every month. That means I'm up to $260 extra dollars that I'll get every month from now on, and it will keep growing every day as long as I'm in the system. Who could use $260 extra dollars every month? I know I could. It's at least one bill, right? That's not even enough ton of work that goes into it either. It'll be the easiest money you ever make. Currently the system is cheap, but the price could definitely rise in the near future. Hurry up before the price goes up. Sincerely, got my name there. I think it's very solid and very, as you can tell, it's for any product, any monetary products here. So all I gotta do is replace the link with whatever I'm trying to sell. So we're gonna try to sell this. All right, boom. And we're done, guys. That's all it takes. Hit the preview, make sure the link works. Pretty sure it works. Yeah, it works. All right, so we send the email. And that's all there is to it, guys. When it comes to sending these emails, it's very easy, very simple thing, very simple process to do. I don't remember what day I'm on. It's either the 13th or 14th or something. I don't know. But let's see here. So we log out. No. We're going to another account. Don't log out on this one. Make another tab. Then you log out on this one. Right. Wait, I can log out because I'm using the email. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so silly. I'm not copy pasting here because I already got the email in the system. So all I need to do is go find the email in the system again. There it go. Boom. Just need to replace the link. So yeah, once you get a bunch of emails in the system, you just copy paste them again. Right, send the email. All right, so we log out. Log back in. And we'll go to our Nest account here. Since we're using 3 different accounts, we use our Nest account here. Boom. Now let's go down to the right there. Want to load that in. Make sure we place the link. That's all you really need to do. Everything else is already in. There we go. Oh, did I replace it? Yeah, I did. Okay, I just making sure. Alright, we send this email. That's all there is to it, buddy. It's just that simple, guys. Now we don't send all the emails just that quick. And yeah, we're pretty much done, guys. But I wanna speak on you about this system here and why it's so good. If you get 1 sale a week, let's go down to it. Let me see if I can find it. All you really need is 10 sales and you making $1,200 minus what you paying $150. So you making $1,050. So you making $1,000 off of 10 sales, guys, for the rest of your life. Think about that. So just 1 sale a week, and this is what you're making a year. 1 sale a week. If you could just get 1 sale a week, 4 sales a month. So if I get 2 more sales a month, I'm looking at this. Right now, I'm at half of this right now, which is still really good for me, to be honest. In the area I'm in a very rural area. So let's see, 74, what would that be? 32. It'd be 32 ish. No, that'd be 64. It'd be like 37. That'd be 37. All right. So yeah, about 37,000 a year for 2 sales. That's the pace I'm on right now. But if I can get 2 more sales by the end of this month, I still got a lot of time to get some more sales this month with my lead gen secrets. I get 2 more sales, I'll be at this 74. Now, if I can get, and you know, that's how easy it is to build, guys. That's $6,000 per month. Right now, I'm at 3. I'm on track to make $3,000 per month. It's insane to think about. For this system here, man. $3,000 per month in my area is plenty. So I know we got inflation going on right now, so it's not as much as it used to be, but it's still plenty in my area, guys. So yeah, that's amazing. That's the pace I'm on right now. $3,000 per month. If I can get 2 sales every month. I already got 2 sales this month. If I can get 4 sales every month, I get $6,000 per month. If I can get 4. I'm not done with this month yet, guys. This month, it's not even halfway done yet. I think I can get 2 or 3 more sales by the end of this month using my lead gen secrets. We're gonna continue doing that. That's all there is to it, guys. I just wanted to make sure y'all understand how effective this process is and how amazing this program is, because it is 100% amazing. All right, guys, this is so valuable. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all can catch these videos when they first come out. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.